is Cardboard Console, a YouTube channel that has been committed in bringing your way educative sessions as touching catfish production. Basically, what we do in Cardboard Fish Farm is catfish breeding. Although we also do other aspects of catfish production, such as grow out, where we grow them from fingerlings to table size. We also do catfish processing. We also do feed formulation and production, as well as pond construction and general fish farm management. If today is your first time of tuning into this YouTube channel, why not hit on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to benefit from our educative videos whenever we post on YouTube. Today I will be bringing to you an exciting topic around
salt baths. You see, in catfish production, there is what we call salt baths. And the concept of salt bathing is to apply salt, a particular amount of salt in water, stirring it up to ensure that the salt dissolved well in the water. And this is basically done for two purposes. It can be used to treat your fish, and it can also be used to anti-stress. Yeah, whenever you sort, whenever you transfer your fries or fingerlings or juveniles from one pond or the other, probably you did grading and sorting before you transfer them back to the vat, because they must have been stressed. And being stressed can lead to a high level of mortality, especially when it comes to catfish production. So that is why it's expected to do a salt dip. And as you can see in this video, what I'm doing now is salt dip. Trying to dip in the sorted fingerlings into the salt solution I prepared before for roughly 1 to 2 minutes at most, so that they will be more active now, and the salt solution will tend to reduce the stress they must have incurred during sorting, during the transfer. So this is highly recommended for both grow out and people in the production sector of this industry. You can use the salt bath to reduce the level of stress that must have been incurred from your fish. And also you can use salt bath for treatment in catfish production. Salt is a must-have ingredient in your farm. So if this is your first time of tuning into our channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell.